That's suspicious. That's weird. And I want to thank my haters too because they be downloading my stuff so they can hear it and talk crap about it, but it benefits me.
But hold on. Isn't it true that you don't, as I recall, you don't know how to drive?
No, and today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason? We out here in Milan drinking sparkling water and eating some spaghettis. Sure, you could take it.
Yow.
Oh, you know that's like almost like a sad cat sound, like a cat that's going through pain.